All right, guys, it's another day. Forget about the noise and concentrate on the video. All right, so today I'll be guiding you on how to trade breakouts on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, how to trade breakouts on the 30 minutes time frame. If you look at this market, it's been trending upwards. Okay, it's been trending upwards. Okay, and at this point, you realize that price took out the last stop of the trend line. Okay, at the break and closure of this candle, excuse me, good, looking at this candle, okay, when this candle closed below this trend line, that's a perfect entry for you to sell. Okay, it's a simple breakout. Okay, it's a breakout. If you have to look at simple candlesticks, no stress. All right, that's the first trade. What do? You take a sell from here. Okay, and where's your stop loss? Few pips above this candle. Okay, what's your target? At least 1:2. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, let's keep going. Now you see we had another trend. Okay, this is it, another trend. Okay, what do? Once this candle closes below this zone, you can go down to 15 minutes to see how quick this candle closes, and once it closes before or anywhere it closes, you can still take it the way it is. It's as simple, but for you to get a sniper entry, you definitely have to go down to lower time frame. You enter here, what's your stop loss? Few pips above the candlestick, and you target a simple 1:2. Okay, you continue the trend. Now you realize we had something different here. Okay, good. Now at this point we had another flag pattern. Okay, so you can choose to respect the flag pattern and watch candlesticks close. When you look at the way, because normally when trading you also look at candlesticks. Okay, when you look at the way these candlesticks were behaving down here, you realize that the bearish momentum died off. But when you look at this, the one up here, you realize how powerful the bearish momentum was. Look at the other candle here, how powerful it closed. So you look at the way a candlestick closed to determine the next move. Okay, so at this point we could not take a trade because just for this candlesticks to cover, it took, let me show you exactly what I'm saying. It took about 3 to 4 candlesticks to cover this little space. Meanwhile, on the other chart, you realize that it takes one candlestick to break everything. Okay, so that's why you need to be very, very smart. Okay, so at this point, we did not take a trade. We could not take a trade. Okay, now after all this move to the upside, you see we have another trend here. Okay, now if you compare the number of candles that took time to climb to create this move from here to here, and the number of candles that took from here to here, you see one candle alone took 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, then the next candle here, and now we had this break out of this zone. Okay, now there are 2 ways to get in. You can either choose to get in when the trend line is broken, or you wait for this zone to be taken out. And if you wait for this zone to be taken out, you see the momentum It's crazy. Okay, you enter at the closure of this candle. Okay, your stop loss few pips above the candle, as simple as that, and you target a simple 1 is to 2. Okay, so that's how simple trading should be for you. Instead of making this video too long, I rather prefer we take it as easy as possible. All right guys, thanks very much for watching my videos, and if my videos have been helping you to get entries, do not forget to click on the notification bell after subscribing to the channel, and also share your views in the comment section. If you're watching me on YouTube, Facebook, wherever, also comment. And if you want to be part of my free trading community, the links to my community are in the description section, and the brokers I use are also in the description section. So guys, let's connect. It's really awesome trading with you guys every day. Ciao.